In this video, we are going to see the 3 most common mistakes when using async-await in C#. The first one is using result. The idea is that we have this async method, and instead of using await, we use .result. The problem with this is that we can end up freezing the application, and also we're missing from the benefits of using asynchronous programming because we're unnecessarily blocking threads. The solution is to simply use await, drop the result and use await. Speaking of await, the second mistake is forgetting to put the await. This has happened to me in the past because I am typing, I am trying to be fast, but then I forget to add the await. And the problem with this is that, first, since you are not awaiting this operation, then you are going to execute the next line of code while this is running in the background, which may be something that you don't want. And also, if you hover here, you're going to see that the type of user3 is task of user, when it should be user, which means that you cannot use this user3 variable as a user unless you await the task. Again, the solution is to simply use await. As you can see here, we have user4 is of type user. The third error is using async void. For example, here we have this method that has async void. We use void because we don't want to return anything from this method. But this is a dangerous mistake, because if we have an exception here, we could even crash the application, not only for the user that is using the application, but for everybody. The solution here is not to use void in this case, but to use task, async task. In that way, even if there is an on-catch exception, that is not going to crash the whole application. Let me know in the comments if you want me to go deeper in any of these errors. Thank you.